and welcome back to our channel, Just on My Home. I know it's been a while since our last video, but we wanted to share this video. We are gonna be cleaning our house, and also we're gonna remove everything, all the decoration we have in our house. We're gonna explain you later why we are gonna do it, but for now I'm gonna go here with Jazz to see what she's doing. Hey, what are you doing?
Hi.
Gonna explain what are you gonna do and what
Basically cleaning. I have a big mess. We are trying to clean up the house, all of the closets. We did the kids' closet, our closet was a big mess.
Yep.
We want to make a garage sale. I don't know if it's gonna work. We have never done that before.
Never have.
If you have any tips or ideas or like how you can do a garage sale, leave it us in the comment.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm trying to clean, and the last thing that I have to do is the home decor. So basically I have this closet where I keep all of the stuff that I use every single time when I'm doing crafts or decorating my home or things like that. It's a big mess, but I have to like clean and organize, and maybe I'm gonna check because maybe I can sell a few stuff. So let's see. So I'm gonna be cleaning these. I like to do that. Oh, the kids are at home, so yeah, it's gonna be very loud, crazy, but that's daily life. And I have these storage bins where I like to organize things, my greenery, vases, wood, and things like that. So I'm gonna be doing that, and we're going to remove all of the decoration that we have in our home. Oh, and I think I show you, Bebe, we showed them before where we store all of like the beans and things like that, or not? I don't remember.
I don't remember. There's a big mess over here.
Yeah.
This is our
garage. Let me turn the light on.
Slash sports center.
Yeah, we have the ping pong table, so many chairs.
Bicycles. All our hobbies.
Yeah, it's a big mess.
Yeah.
But it's organized actually.
Well, I did something like a month ago, I guess. Yeah.
So yeah, all of that is my home decor. No, it's a big mess. And there is my fall decoration that I have to like see what I have, what I can use for this year. But yeah, basically.
Yeah, and it's been there for like 2 weeks already.
Yeah.
Since the first video.
Yeah. And here we are putting the things that maybe we can sell on the garage sale, and also in here. There. Yeah.
Yeah, all these bags.
Yeah.
So then after we put them over here, we're gonna sort it.
Yeah.
And put what goes with what, and maybe get the price for them.
I don't know.
We don't know. This is the first time that we are gonna do it. Let's see if it works or not. Look, our vacuum, not again, please.
Oh my god.
Oh man, look at that.
Okay, so this is my house right now. Yeah, it's not that cute because yeah, it's real life. So I want to remove every single thing, like all of the greenery and all of the things that are like very summery or spring decor. I don't actually decor that much for summer. I just keep my greenery and stuff. I have 4th of July. I have some fall decoration here that I want to remove because that was from a video. And yeah, I have 4th of July. It's a big mess. So I want to clean up everything so that way I can start from a zero, a fresh start.
Like a blank canvas.
Yeah.
That's the right word for it.
Yeah.
Blank canvas, and see how we can decorate it and put it better in here.
Yeah. I want to remove all of that. Everything.
Actually, we're doing this mostly because the season is changing.
Yeah.
Kids are going to school, so now it's time to clean up, organize, and make the cows. Oh my god, cows. I'm thinking of a farm right there. So making the house like more comfortable for us on this new season and make it look better.
Yeah. Wait again. Okay, are you ready?
Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
If I open up my eyes, I can see the skies. I can see the sky. See the sky. See the sky. Watch
So we just eat and now coffee time. Our daughter.
Coffee is always present in this house.
Yes.
Breakfast, lunch, at least once or twice.
Twice a day,
Yeah,
yeah.
twice a day. Also, just in case if you're not following me and you want to follow me, I have an Instagram page. Is Coffee Mug and Joy. Coffee Mug and Joy. That you can find over there coffee content, breakfast, and things that I like to do. But most of the time, coffee, desserts, and stuff like that.
Thank you.
There you go. Thank you, Mama.
Our daughter made us coffee. Thank you. Love you.
So we took everything out and we organized almost everything already. We put them all together, like all the similar pieces, like this.
Baskets.
Yeah, just a few of them.
Okay, now that everything is organized here and classified, this was the decoration that I had in my house. So now I need to go to the
Close
closet and see what I have and organize that too.
So we took all of those beans out of the closet and these ones too, and now we need to sort them with the rest of the items. Well, it's been like 3 hours since we started this journey. How are we going?
I wanna cry.
Look at this.
I wanna take a bath and then eat something and go to bed and watch Netflix.
That sounds good.
Why I have so
For
much
real.
stuff. I don't know why I have so much
See,
stuff.
look at that.
Like 3 days ago,
Still the same thing.
I was in Hobby Lobby.
It is the next day already, and now that all the things are in the bins and we rest already, we have these little tags that we're gonna put on those bins to identify each of them. this one go in the top because the lid didn't close really well. So just in case we put it on top.
Sweating.
You know that there's a few decor items in this house, so not all of them fit in those bins. Those are pretty small, and the closet is pretty small too. So I don't know what she's gonna do.
Okay. There we go. Okay. So now I have all of the baskets.
Take a breath. Now we need to figure out how we are gonna make this fit right there in top.
Well guys, we are done. House is basically empty. It looks like we are going to move, right?
Yeah.
I
really
love that
clean.
feeling.
I wanna leave it like that.
No,
No?
maybe 1 week, and that's all. We have a white canvas. Now I can start thinking on what I want to do for fall, where I want to put my decorations, and I don't know, decorate different, move things around, and that is one of the things that I love to do. We just eat and cup of coffee.
Time.
Cheers to you guys. Cheers.
Cheers.
And I think we will see you in the next video. Make sure that you're subscribed.
Also, follow us on our social media
Yes.
pages, Instagram and all other that we have. Also, coffee mug. Enjoy
Yeah.
my personal Instagram.
Yes.
And the way by Jazz on
Yes,
Instagram
all of the
too.
links are in the description box of this video, and every single video, all of the things that we use to clean and everything is gonna be there.
See you
Cheers
then.
guys, bye.